I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it. So let's get right into the video, guys, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. Hey guys, what's going on? So today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a modded version of the game WildCraft for 2026, so it makes you rich. So let me just open it up. So as you can see, we're on the game. Press this button, you can actually add unlimited gems. So I'm going to turn it up right here, so let's see if the gems go up. So then I'm going to show you how to get the WildCraft mod. So as you can see, I got 500 gems right now. So hopefully it starts rising, and then I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So let's see if it goes up, and we should be good to go. So let's see what happens, and hopefully it starts rising. And as you can see, there go the gems. So I'm going to show you guys how to get this to your device. So it's 2026, guys, unlimited money. So let's get into the guide. All right, so first thing, go to matrixmods.com. all right, so this is the website, I'm pretty sure, where you can get WildCraft mods. So go to the search bar, type in WildCraft, and as you can see, actually, whoops, it looks like it's on tweakmod.com. So just type in WildCraft and press install. So before it downloads, it's going to be a verification. So you just got to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free from official app store. Then the WildCraft mod will be installed. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to download. You can see the Apple and Android logo, so it does work on both. So I'm just going to wait for this to download here, as you can see. Alright, so yeah, if you guys play WildCraft, you gotta try this out, because it actually works, guys. Like, this is super cool. Alright, so here we go. So now it's going to bring us to the next step, which is where we have to download the apps. So as you can see, it says additional files are required, so just pick 2 of them. Like Travel Town says install and reach level 9, so I just press continue. Play it till I'm level 9, it's like a game. So that's pretty easy, so just make sure you do 2 of these, guys. You're going to be all set. So yeah, peace out, guys. So this is like a game, so that's pretty simple. So then I go back to the list and just do some more. So we got Mode Casino. This one says install the app and open it. And then World Winner, I think, has the same requirements. Let's see, yeah, install the app and open it. So yeah, I'm going to go to the App Store and just show you guys how expensive WildCraft is. So let me just type it in. So as you can see, there it is. So you don't need the game installed because this is a separate modded version, but as you can see, it's super expensive. So if you guys want to pay, it's up to you. But chances are, if you're watching this video, you're not really involved. Also, you don't need the game installed because this is a separate modded version. But that's how to get unlimited gems on WildCraft, guys. Super cool. Got the anti-ban and everything. So this is super crazy. So if you guys like this game, be sure to try it out. I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys. I'm just trying to help out the community. It's all I do every day, all day. So yeah, WildCraft is a great game, but you know, we're trying to get down with it. So this is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys in another one, but that's how I get rich 2026, guys. So just make sure you download 2 of these apps and you're going to be all set. Doesn't matter which one you do, guys, just do 2. So yeah, this is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys, because this actually works, you know. A lot of people tell you it doesn't work, but they're lying. So yeah, this is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys in another one. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. I got no problem making videos for you guys about WildCraft. But yeah, it's super cool. So have fun. Just make sure you do 2 of the apps. You're going to be all set, guys. So as you can see, I'm rich. So yeah, super awesome. So have fun, guys. Try it out, you know. We're trying to bring back the scene, you know, get everyone involved. But yeah, super cool stuff. So try it out. I'll see you guys tomorrow. But yeah, peace out, guys. This is super amazing, bro. Wild stuff.